These three things happened when I started meditating. Nobody prepared me for this. When you think about meditation, most people say that they feel calmer and more present, they sleep better, they can focus more. But there are deeper shifts that you experience. And honestly, it affects your entire life. But I don't think anybody really talks about all of this. The first thing I notice is my fears and doubts became less interesting. And what I mean by that is not only did I stop identifying with them, but when they came up, I literally found them boring to listen to. Like the same thought loops would pop up because, again, meditation doesn't make your thoughts disappear, right? But it does make them less loud. So when these fears would pop up, it felt almost foreign to me. I knew right away that this was just a pattern, a familiar thought loop, and I was able to really separate myself from them and not make these thoughts mean anything about me or my life. If I had a thought that I was a failure or that nobody cares about me, I would immediately just say, no, that's not true. But I feel like before I would go into a spiral with those thoughts and find multiple evidence in my reality for it to be true. But now I find evidence of the opposite. I'll tell myself all the ways in which my life is beautiful and, there's abundance all around me and how I'm safe in this very moment. And I used to wake up anxious and think, this is just who I am. This is just my life. But meditation taught me to watch my thoughts instead of becoming them. And one day I just realized that all the fears and doubts, I don't even care. They're literally like passing clouds and I'm the sky. Number two, I stopped reacting. Every time I say this, I feel like people assume that I have become an emotionless robot, but it's actually the opposite. I don't react because my nervous system has changed. I feel comfortable and safe in the pause. And I don't need to respond or react to everything right away. If someone triggers me, I can pause. I can be still for a bit. Before, I feel like I would react right away. I would lash out, I would spiral, I would be angry and cry. And again, there's nothing wrong with showing and feeling emotions, but there is a difference between processing and feeling your feelings versus literally trauma dumping and lashing out. When you can be in that pause, you know that you're free. That pause is freedom. Number three, and this one surprised me the most, I started seeing the beauty in everything, like actually seeing it. The way the light from the morning sun hits my window, the way the trees move, a short interaction with a stranger, ordinary moments that used to pass me by completely became meditative in itself. Like it's almost like I was wearing very dirty glasses before, but someone cleaned them and I can see very clearly. And suddenly I just felt like this entire world is just stunning. Like it's really beautiful. And like I said, once you see it, you cannot unsee it. I've said this so many times in my videos. But meditation changes how you feel about yourself and the world. It truly changes how you see things, how you relate to others. It changes who you think you are, and it opens you up to unlimited possibilities. You start to believe that everything is possible in your life. So if you've been thinking of starting and you don't know how or where to start, this is your sign, because I have a free meditation linked in my profile. I have several actually, so just take your pick. But one of the recent ones that I created is called Cosmic Self, but it really is to meet yourself beyond your thoughts, your body, your mind, and your identity. All right. Ask me any questions in the comments below and follow for more.